What's up, Chia Nation? James here. Today we got a lawn that we have to go do. The city has contacted the homeowner apparently multiple times, saying that she needs to get it mowed down now. All right, so now everything's cleaned up. The front yard wasn't as bad as what the backyard was. Like some of that back there by the back fence, as you can see, I don't know if you could really tell in the video or not, but it was as tall as the fence, and that's a 4-foot chain link. So that's all knocked down. Everything's looking good. She didn't want bagged or anything, and like I said, it rained anyway for days. So my bagger on the Toro Timecutter, it probably would have had a very hard time picking it all up. I would have had a better chance of just raking the entire yard. So there's a tip for you if you have a Toro Timecutter, like a 42-inch with a side discharge, you know, with a bagger that goes up and around to the back when the grass is wet. Especially if you have a lot of grass, it will not pick it up. It'll just get stuck, and then you constantly have to clear it, you know, unclog it and all that. So, but like I said, the front yard wasn't bad. The backyard, it was a lot worse than what I had anticipated it to be. So, but that's how you do it. What I did was just going around pretty much in circles like that, and then I went one way, making it look nice, and then I went the other way, give it that nice stripe look, as you should be able to see in the video. And that's that. So that concludes the video for today. If you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Keep tuned. We'll have videos coming all year long: pressure washing, painting, concrete grinding.